Hello everyone, I am Shreyas and today we are going to discuss about two of the most popular kitchen countertops, quartz and granites. I know it is very difficult to select the most appropriate one for your kitchen countertop. Of course, depending on various factors such as price, durability, heat resistance, sealing, cleaning, and etc. But in this video, we are going to guide you step by step to select the most appropriate one for your kitchen countertop. According to the recent market trends, considering the durability and hygiene, quartz is considered to be the most famous kitchen countertop. But in case you want to go for some darker options in color and having a budget constraint, the granite is the one for you, having wonderful options.
Durability.
So, considering the durability, granite consists of two minerals, quartz and feldspar. According to the scientific research, quartz is much more harder and stronger as compared to feldspar. So, ironically, higher the mix of quartz in granite, harder will be the granite. Now compare this with the pure quartz stone. Quartz is much more tougher and stronger as compared to granite. Quartz slab stone is much more stronger and tougher as compared to the granite. So you get your answer here itself. Quartz stone slab is the pure winner in this case.
Heat resistance.
Even though quartz have no other minerals in their composition, they are processed using resins and pigments. Resins can withstand a temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius, but that temperature is not observed on a daily basis. So you can say quartz are heat resistant. Granite on the other hand does not contain any resin, so granite are heat resistant in all ways. In this case, granite is the pure winner.
Cleaning.
Granite is porous in nature. Quartz is completely non-porous. Due to this nature of granites, water gets accumulated on the platform. So in most of the surfaces, wet and warm tar is more than enough to remove stains. So in this particular case, quartz is the perfect winner.
Sealing.
As mentioned earlier, quartz is manufactured using resins, which makes the surface flat and smooth. This sealing process polishes the surface and also is used to fill the gaps of this porosity in the granite. After a certain period of time, this sealant gets weared off due to regular use and friction. Hence this application of sealing over the granite is an added process and hassle to all the granite owners. In the case of quartz, it is complete hassle-free. So here, quartz is the pure winner.
Maintenance.
Granite requires a regular of cleaning, sealing, and is not recommended outdoors due to its decolorization when exposed to the sun. This reason makes granite tough to maintain for a long period of time. Quartz on the other hand is easy to maintain and really easy to clean. This quality of quartz makes it much better for the overall usage. You can get rid of those ugly stains on the quartz with the help of soap cleaner and window cleaner.
Pricing and design.
There are more than 150 designs of granites and various grades of quartz to be used for your kitchen countertop. And don't worry, this video includes hand-picked and most popular amongst the both quartz and granites to be used for your countertop. Colombo white granite is very much similar to royal cream granite. The major difference between them is that the speckles are very much definite and denser, which makes it very much electric. Over the last few decades, black galaxy granite is considered to be one of the most popular due to its durability and timeless beauty. Red color symbolizes success, which is why Lakha Red Granite is appealing for all those who are searching a way to stand out from the crowd and make a statement. To spot high-grade quartz, you need to look at how minimalistic the veins are in the slab. Also, the vibrant color and finish is something to pay attention at if you want to spot a good slab. These type of slabs offer average quality and durability due to high usage of resins during the manufacturing of these type of slabs.
High grade. To spot high grade quartz, you need to look at how minimalistic the veins are in the slab. Also, their vibrant finish and color are something to pay attention to if you want to spot them. Their high quality finish and pattern find application in luxury spaces and designer kitchens. The price of these massively depends upon the brand manufacturing them. At the end of the video, we will tell you why Petros stone is one of the top brand, common or standard. To differentiate between a high quality with a standard quality slab, you can see its reaction when exposed to the heat or sunlight. Also, the veins are fatter and inconsistent. Common grade quartz slab will find applications in kitchen where the appeal is not a factor while designing. A durability plays more of a definite role. These can be easily found in the market around you and are very affordable. Low quality. They are low in quality, not known for their looks, and applications in economical and operational kitchens. Like common grade quartz slab, you will easily find these in the market around you at a very cheap price.
Perhaps if you are looking for better quality and durability for your kitchen countertops, then please avoid such kind of quartz slabs. I hope this vlog has helped you narrow down your choices when it comes to quartz and granites for your kitchen countertop. Be it quartz or granite, at Petros Stone we pay importance to quality, warranty and customer satisfaction, which is why we are one of the leading brands in this particular sector.